everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got from this to this, stay tuned. So right here I am using the Black Radiance Continuous Cream Eyeliner, and I got it in the color black. I really didn't want to get in the color black, but I did because that was the only one available. So as y'all saw in the previous clip, I just brushed my brows up, and then I'm using this eyeliner cream to go underneath my brow. Now, as you see, I'm starting in the middle. If you're using black especially, it is best to start in the middle so you can brush out any darkness and your beginning of the brow won't look so harsh. So like I said, I started in the middle of the brow, and then I'm taking the remaining eyeliner that's already on the brush, and that's where I'm beginning from my brow. So now I am brushing in the product to my eyebrow. It's very important, y'all, because a lot of people feel like you need a lot of product for your eyebrow, and you really don't. So once again, I am doing the top of my eyebrow, and I'm just creating that curvature. As you see here, I'm going a little bit above my eyebrow hairs so I can create that curve, that arch. So like I said, guys, I'm just brushing in the product into my eyebrows once again. And y'all, I'm sorry for the noise if y'all hear noise. Like, people are working on my house and my dogs are barking like crazy. So if you hear that, that's what it is. But right now, these eyebrows are not looking cute at all. But wait, this is where we get into the cleanup session of it. And you can take concealers. I'm using Nude, and I'm using Fawn in the Maybelline color, I believe. And I'm mixing the two together. And now I'm going underneath my eyebrow, and that's where I'm cleaning it up. As you see, I'm taking a little bit of the black there because I kind of put too much. So I'm just clearing that up, and you see how I'm already beginning to form that arch. So now I'm getting a fluffy brush, and I'm basically blending that out. I'm once again starting from the tip and the middle, and then I'm going to work my way up towards the front. This just helps your eyebrow to look better. And if you mess up, you're messing up in the middle of your eyebrow and not so much the beginning of your eyebrow. This is very, very important, y'all, because if you don't do that, you can put too much concealer in the front, or you can just mess it up. So that's why it's good to really start in the middle of your eyebrow for everything. Concealing, starting it, putting the eyeliner, like that's why it's super, super important, because you don't want to mess it up. So once again, for the top, I am starting in the middle, and I'm going around that curvature, that curve, that arch that I created, and I'm just cleaning it up. So here I'm getting my fluffy brush again, and I am blending my concealer to my face. And now I'm going again with the eyeliner, and I'm going to the areas, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going into the areas where you can see my skin. I'm gonna let it be known my eyebrow hairs are nappy and all over the place. So I'm trying my best to just tame them by brushing them in and adding a little bit more product. Now here I'm going again with my concealer and I'm going underneath my brow to clean it up. I really like my wing part of my eyebrow to be clean and cut and under control. Clean and clear and under control, right? But I just go again to kind of just give it that clean, archy look. So y'all, I'm just going to repeat the same actions that I did on that eyebrow and do it on this eyebrow. So now I'm back. Now to clean up all the highlight from the eyebrow, all I'm using is a foundation that matches my skin and I'm cleaning above it. I'm gonna clean below and I'm gonna put some foundation on my eyelids as well. This is just to get the whiteness of it. Now, mind you, the concealers that I use were a little bit lighter than my skin, but because I've been doing my eyebrows for so long, I know how to make it work. I would suggest if you're a new person or if you're just, learning how to do your eyebrows, get something that's like 2 shades lighter or maybe a shade lighter than your skin. So after I do that, I am blending out the concealer and the foundation that I put underneath. My brows are done. I'm showing you guys that your brows are supposed to begin by the bridge of your nose and end towards the tail of your nose. And that's it. My brows are on fleek and I'm done. So that's pretty much it for my eyebrows, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to share. Bye.